Numbers in standard form. First, express the number in standard form. 3.6 times 10 raised to power 3. The table logarithm will give the logarithm of 3.6. That is 0.5563 in 4-figure table. This is called the metissa. The power of 10 is the standard form, is the characteristic, and log 3.6 times 10 raised to power 3 is equals to 3.5563. What does it mean in standard form? 3.6 times 10 raised to power 3. You are only going to find log 3.6 in the log table. Then 10 raised to power 3 will now be what it be used as the whole number. Negative characteristics. The logarithm of 0.6 times 10 raised to power minus 2 is minus 2 plus 0.5563. To show the only characteristic is negative, we write the negative sign over the 2 and it reads as bar 2, thus log in bracket 3.6 times 10 raised to power minus 2 is equals to bar 2.5563. Care must be taken especially when adding and subtracting number characteristic. Remember that the bar must means only that the number is negative, and apply the ordinary rule for addition and subtraction of negative number. Example: 1.4235 plus 2.6137. We have 5 plus 7 will give us 12. We carry 1 up and add it with 3, which is 4. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. Then we have 3 plus 1 will give us 3. 4 plus 6 will give us 10. We now carry 1, add it with 1, which is 2. 2 plus bar 2, that is 2 minus 2, which is 0. You are having 2 and you are owing 2, it will give us 0. Another one is 1 bar 1.4235 plus bar 2.6137. We will now be having 5 minus 5 plus 7 will give us 12. Now take 1 and add it with 3. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we now have 4 plus 6 is 10. We now take 1 and add it with bar 1, which is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So we'll be left with plus 2. Another one is bar 1.4235 plus 2.6132. We'll be having 5 plus 7 will give us 12. You now take 1 and add it with 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 6 is 10. You now take 1 and add it with bar 1. Bar 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So we'll be left with 2. Then for the subtraction, let's look at bar 2.7831 minus bar 1.926256. So 1 minus 6 is not possible. Then we borrow 1 from 3. Then we'll be having 11 minus 6, which is 5. Then 3 is now remaining 2. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Then we borrow 1 from 8 and I give it 2. We will be having 12 minus 5, which is 7. Then 8 is now remaining 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 cannot minus 9. Then we borrow another 1 from 2. Then we'll be owing 3. Therefore, we having 17 minus 9 will give us 8. Therefore, minus 3 minus will become plus. Therefore, minus 3 plus 1 is still minus 2. Now, we are having also 2.7831 minus by 1.9256. Then you know that 1 cannot minus 6. Then borrow 1 from 3 and add it to 1 to become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Therefore, 3 it will be left with 2. 2 cannot subtract 5. Then we borrow 1 from 8 and give it to 2 to become 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 is now remaining 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then 7 cannot minus 9. Then we borrow 1 from 2 and make it 17. 17 minus 9 will give us 8. Then what is remaining there is 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 2, because 2 we are having 1. Therefore, minus 1 is plus. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then for 2.7831 minus 1.9256, we'll be having, since 1 cannot minus 6, we borrow 1 from 3 and give it to 1 to become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Then 3 will now be left with 2. 2 cannot minus 5. We now borrow 1 from 8 and give it to 2 to become 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 is now remaining 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 cannot minus or subtract 9. Then we borrow 1 from 2 by 2, which will now become 17. 17 minus 9 will give us 8. So what we are having there is now minus by 3. By 3 minus 1 will give us by 4.